Semua perkataan dalam bahasa Arab boleh dibahagi kepada 3 kumpulan. Kumpulan pertama adalah ismun atau isim. The second group is fi'lun or fi'il. And the third group is harfun or harf. So, apakah itu isim? The closest thing in English to isim adalah noun. Noun adalah nama kepada benda, orang, tempat ataupun an action. Okay, let's look at a few examples of isim. The first example is pronouns, which are words such as I, you, he, she, they, kata nama diri dalam bahasa Melayu. Nama khas or proper names seperti Muhammad, Fatimah, Kuala Lumpur are considered isim. Obviously, benda-benda seperti kitabun, a book, madrasatun, a school, itu pun isim. Isim termasuk an action seperti qiyamun, standing, as in qiyamul lail, which literally means standing or staying up at night. You need to take note that adjectives and adverbs are also grouped as isim. Apa tu adjectives? Adjectives adalah perkataan yang describe suatu benda. For example, he is tall, dark and handsome. The adjectives are tall, dark, handsome. And adverbs adalah perkataan yang describe suatu perbuatan, describes a verb. For example, she dances very well. The adverb is very well. So, ingat ya, adjectives, adverbs, semua tu isim. Now, let's look at the second group of words, fi'il. Fi'il in English are verbs atau kata kerja dalam bahasa Melayu. Examples of English verbs, berlari, run, ran, has run, is running, makan, eat, ate, has eaten, is eating, etc. Just like in English, bahasa Arab pun ada past tense untuk suatu perbuatan yang telah berlaku dan ada present tense untuk perbuatan semasa. But unlike the English language, verbs in Arabic include the pronoun or the person who's doing the action. For example, untuk past tense, fa'ala means he did. Fa'alat, she did. Fa'altu, I did. Dan untuk present tense, yaf'alu, he does or he's doing. Taf'alu, she does or she's doing. Dan af'alu, I do or I'm doing. Notice dalam setiap fi'il dalam bahasa Arab, ada pronoun yang tersembunyi dalam perkataan itu. So, dari setiap fi'il, kita boleh dapat 3 information. Yang pertama, apakah perbuatan itu? Yang kedua, bila perbuatan itu dilakukan, sama ada in the present or in the past. Dan yang ketiga, siapa yang buat? Sebab dalam setiap fi'il ada pronoun atau kata ganti diri di dalam tu. Okay, now we move on to the final group of words, harf. What is harf? Harf is a particle or kata sendi, kata sambung in bahasa Melayu. Something is a word we use to join isim or to join fi'il. Harf usually cannot stand on its own. It would only make sense when there is an isim or a fi'il connected to it. Harf are very short words consisting of 1, 2, or at most 3 letters only. Examples of harf are fi, meaning in, dalam, in, which translates to if, jikalau, min, from, daripada, and iza, when, apabila.